Amazon Prime Video Trial Membership. Amazon Prime Video offers a trial membership for new users, allowing them to experience the platform's content before committing to a paid subscription. This trial period includes access to movies, TV shows, and Amazon Originals without immediate charges. How to sign up for an Amazon Prime Video trial. Step 1. Visit the Amazon Prime Video website. Open a web browser and navigate to the official Amazon Prime Video page. Step 2. Click on Start Your Free Trial. Look for the trial offer, which is typically available to new subscribers. Step 3. Create or log in to your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in. If not, create a new account by providing basic information such as name, email, and password. Step 4. Choose a subscription plan. Select between a standalone Prime Video subscription or a full Amazon Prime membership, which includes additional benefits like free shipping and Prime Music. Step 5. Enter payment information. Even though the trial is free, Amazon requires a valid credit or debit card to set up future billing once the trial period ends. Step 6. Confirm and start watching. After completing the sign-up process, you can immediately access Prime Video's library of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. Key features of the Amazon Prime Video trial: free access to all Prime Video content. The trial allows users to explore the full catalog of movies, TV shows, and Amazon Originals. Ad-supported viewing. The standard trial includes advertisements, but users can opt for an ad-free experience by paying an additional $2.99 per month. Streaming on multiple devices. Users can stream on smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and other supported devices. Option to cancel anytime. Subscribers can cancel before the trial ends to avoid charges. If not canceled, the plan automatically converts to a paid membership. The Amazon Prime Video Trial Membership provides a great opportunity for users to explore the platform's offerings risk-free before making a long-term commitment.